The structural integrity here is compromised.
Yes, but the blueprint suggests we attach the pontoons here first.
Agreed. Let's proceed with the lift sequence.
Tensioning the main line. How's the shackle look?
Green on the shackle, Cap. Clear to lift.
Watch the tag line. Keep it steady. Slowly now. Bring it up. Watch the cables. Keep it steady. All right, hold it right there. Easy on the descent, coming in hot.
Roger that. We have contact. Hold steady.
Easy, bring it down slowly.
All right, we got contact. Tension off the straps.
Looks stable. All green back here.
The corrosion around the intake is significant.
We need to stabilize that before we move it.
You can see the extent of the corrosion here. We use the wire brushes first to get through the thickest layers before applying the solvent.
How's that structural weak point looking up there?
We've got the yellow tape secured.
All right, let's mark the welding zone clearly with the red chalk right here.
This structural weak point here needs immediate reinforcement before we clear it for welding.
Copy that. I've marked the zone.
This reading here, it doesn't match the schematic.
Confirmed. The algae penetrated the seal. Recording it now.
Make sure you document the corrosion on connector 2J. It looks severe.
Got it.
The brittle factor is high.
This connector is heavily corroded. Pitting is visible near the crimp.
Okay, noting the salt residue and brittle insulation on the adjacent bundle.
The primary stress point is section gamma. We reinforce here first.
And the engine mount here, look at the chalk marks.
I'll check the inventory for the composite overlays.
Okay, the alignment marks are all checked.
Confirmed. The tape can come off now.
Looks good.
The corrosion around the landing gear is significant.
Yes, and look at the algae stains here.
Yeah.
We should prioritize the structural integrity assessment next.
All checks complete. Begin disassembly.
All right, easy now. Clear on the left side. Set it down, gentle.
The powerful degreasing solution immediately attacks the thick corrosion, a vital step in ensuring the engine's integrity.
Bringing it down slowly.
Steady. And set.
Good job, everyone.
Okay, the alignment is spot on.
Good. Let's double check the edges before we finalize.
The schematic says 50 inches, confirmed.
Confirmed.
The gauge reads 4 millimeters right here.
Okay, noted. Check the adjacent seam for similar warping.
All right, easy now. Make sure that clamp seats flush against the block.
Got it. Should I grab the torque wrench now?
Look at the corrosion on this connector. That's definitely salt creep.
Roger that. Rerouting the new harness now?
And the crimp is secure. Ensure the routing matches the new schematic here.
Got it. This connector is secure now.
I've logged the replacement serial number.
Easy now, drop it 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters, steady. Okay, hold it right there.
Ease the hoist down slowly.
Copy that, coming down.
Looks aligned, go for the pin. .125 on the gauge. Seam weld looks solid here.
Roger that.
.125, section Charlie.
A little lower on the left. Hold it right there. We're clear on this side. Bring it down slowly, steady. We're clearing the spar. I need it slightly inboard. Got it. Pin's going in.
Hold it there. Just a few millimeters left.
Clearance is good on this side.
Confirmed. Go ahead.
That one's seated.
And the routing is correct here.
Yes, securing the clamp now.
Looks aligned on my side. Secured.
Gear is secure. Panels aligned and bolted.
Sequence confirmed. 3 more at this setting.
Roger that. Is the primer ready yet?
Just finished mixing it, securing the lid.